Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Owning a car in 2026 is often sold as a symbol of freedom, convenience, and independence, but behind the excitement of driving a brand new or even a secondhand vehicle lies a reality that many buyers only fully understand after they've already signed the paperwork. The sticker price is just the beginning. What really shapes your long-term financial experience are the hidden costs, expenses that quietly accumulate month after month, year after year, until they become a significant part of your budget. These are not always clearly explained in advertisements or dealership conversations, yet they can determine whether car ownership feels manageable or financially stressful. To understand the real cost of owning a car in 2026, you have to look far beyond the purchase price and examine the full ecosystem of expenses that come with it. One of the first hidden costs is insurance, and in 2026, this has become more complex than ever. Insurance premiums are no longer based only on your age, driving record, and vehicle type. Modern vehicles are equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and software systems that make repairs more expensive. Even a minor bumper accident can involve recalibrating sensors, replacing cameras, or updating onboard systems. As a result, insurance companies adjust their rates upward to cover these high-tech repairs. On top of that, urban traffic density and rising accident rates in congested cities have pushed premiums even higher. Many drivers are surprised to discover that their affordable car payment is accompanied by an insurance bill that feels like a second installment. Comprehensive coverage, which is often required by lenders, adds another layer of cost that many first-time buyers underestimate. Fuel or energy costs are another area where expectations and reality often diverge. While electric vehicles have become more common in 2026, they are not free from expense. Electricity prices vary depending on location, time of charging, and the type of charger used. Fast public charging stations, while convenient, can be significantly more expensive than home charging. For gasoline vehicles, fuel prices continue to fluctuate due to global supply conditions, taxes, and geopolitical factors. What many drivers don't anticipate is how driving habits dramatically influence monthly fuel expenses. Short trips, heavy traffic, and aggressive driving can increase consumption, making fuel one of the most unpredictable ongoing costs of car ownership. Even hybrid vehicles, which are designed to be efficient, still rely on fuel in certain conditions, meaning savings are not always as high as expected. Maintenance and repairs form another major hidden cost that becomes more visible as the vehicle ages. In 2026, cars are more advanced than ever, which also means they are more expensive to repair. Routine maintenance like oil changes, brake replacements, and tire rotations still exist, but now they are joined by software updates, sensor recalibrations, and diagnostic checks. Many modern vehicles require specialized tools and manufacturer-approved service centers, limiting cheaper repair options. A simple issue that once cost a small amount can now turn into a major expense due to the complexity of systems involved. Even tires have become more expensive, especially for electric vehicles that require stronger, low-resistance models designed to handle heavier battery weight. Over time, these maintenance costs quietly build up, often surprising owners who expected only occasional servicing. Depreciation is perhaps the most overlooked hidden cost of all. The moment you drive a new car off the lot, its value begins to decline. In 2026, depreciation remains one of the largest financial losses in car ownership, especially for new vehicles loaded with technology. Some models lose a significant portion of their value within the first 3 years. This becomes a hidden cost when owners decide to sell or trade in their vehicle and realize it is worth far less than expected. Factors like brand reputation, mileage, condition, and even market demand for specific fuel types, such as EVs versus gasoline cars, can influence resale value. Many buyers focus heavily on monthly payments, but forget that the real cost includes what they lose in value over time. We've covered some of the most common hidden expenses that come with owning a vehicle, from insurance to fuel and financing costs. In the next part, we'll look at additional costs that many drivers overlook. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.